This is the new frog racing sun visor. It has a GoPro mount attachment, so you can attach it to any of your standard GoPro mounts. If you don't have a GoPro mount, we make this roll cage mount. It exists for 44 millimeter, which is inch and 3/4. We also make it for 38 millimeter, which is inch and a half bars. Comes with these high tensile cable ties that are threaded on both sides to have more grip. So here and cut. My roll cage padding can still fit here. We also offer swivel mounts. So here I have my mount, and I added a GoPro swivel attachment. I can hook up my visor directly to the swivel. The advantage of the swivel mount is that I can adjust in any angle I want. Here we are testing the sun visor. I can bring it down like this. Here you can see there is barely any vibration, so it's working really well. And here I have it on a swivel mount, so I can orient it any way I want. And it blocks perfectly from the sun. You can use any GoPro attachment you want, so if you already have a GoPro attachment, it's just a regular GoPro attachment here. The visor is made of ABS plastic, and we can also customize it with your logo with glow-in-the-dark ABS. If you want, you can put your car number, your logo, your name, anything you want. If you just flip the visor around, you can display your advertisement toward the outside through the windshield. So contact us with your custom logos and design, and we can work with you to make it happen. So the option for the sun visor, you can have the sun visor standalone. So you can have the visor with your choice of either the inch and a half or inch and 3/4 mount, and it comes with the GoPro thumb screw to attach the mount to the visor. And we have a deluxe version that also includes the swivel mount that we are not manufacturing, that is made of aluminum, and that come also with this thumb screw. Order yours today at store.frogracing.us.